America and other worlds, whole country, and don't forget Canada. This is My Livy's network. What should I say? So we're here, and I'm with my dear pet, Ashley. She's a bear. I got a thorny part, and I'm with my mom. She got the wrong ticket for Buddy Bop. So we have to wait till everybody get on the plane. And if there's no more space for the seat for us, we can go on it. But if there's no seat for us, we can't go on it. This is what I'm talking about. She got the wrong plane ticket. My grandmother took us here. I'm gonna get to the other side right now so you guys see it. They have Hawaiian airplane, Chinese. What else? They got Guyanese, sorry. They got African, they got Liberian. They got thousands. Even Jamaican. You know what I'm talking about. Jamaican, I said Jamaican. So we're just here. We want to show you how it's really done and how they practice. See all that? Wait, hold on a second. See those people right there? All those people? They help to make the airplane fly. They fix it. Well, like in 3 hours. In 3 hours, we're gonna be going. This is my mom. She's going to the restroom. Look how close it makes. She is mad. It's 4:24. I'm trying to take a picture of it. See how close it is?
So I can go to the restroom?
I'm trying to stand over there.
No, I need you to stay with the stuff. You see the restroom is right over there. I'm going.
Okay, goodbye.
I don't want you to leave from here. You
See,
understand me?
yeah, see that airplane right there? That's the Guyanese.
I gotta go to gate 3. I'm going to use the restroom.
That's the Guyanese plane. And this one is JetBlue, the one we're going on. The American one. It's leaving right now. You just get a big shot of it. Big shot of it. Get right there. Everybody that pays for the ticket gets to go on that plane. But we didn't pay. We didn't want the other one. Mommy wanted it. I mean, I wanted it. I didn't even know what she was doing. But see her moving? See it? See it? Let's show you how it's done. We're gonna show you how it's done. How it's done. How it's done. See it? See it? It's about to go. It's about to go in the ear. It's about to go in the ear. See it? You see it? Do you see that airplane right there? Do you see it? Do you see what I'm talking about? You see it? Airplane is flying for real. It's about to fly. It's about to fly. And plus, I just want to tell you before we finish, before we get started with the flying, and before we finish, I just want to tell you that this is not special effects. This is real life. Real life, I tell you. See? See what I'm talking about? New York, hometown, internet. Now watch this fly, son. Get closer for you. Let me get closer for you guys.
You stay there.
See it? Do you guys see it? I see it? It's flying. I can't get it close, but not the right one. It's the other one right there. See it? See it? Not that one with the circles. It's that one. And when I get in an airplane at 6 o'clock, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Hold on a second. Let me get to this. You guys see it? You guys see it? Yup, it flew up in the air just now. That was amazing. You couldn't see it that much because I'm on the other side. We went on the corner. So, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.